today we're making lava lamps. If you're scared of the dark. So first up we need water, and then pure vegetable oil, and then we need anti-acid, and then we need the dye, food dye, and then we need 3 cups, not cups, plastic bottles, and then we need a measuring cup. Okay, first up, we dump. Oh, this is heavy water. I'm just joking. It's not heavy. See? Okay. First up, we pour the water. Woohoo! 8 ounces. Spilling. What? Oh, it cracked. Guys, you have to hurry up. It cracked. Okay, next we add the same amount of water, 8 ounces, and finished. Okay, perfect. Okay, guys, then we need, what was this color? Oh,
Food color.
yep, navy blue food color. Press it gently. Oh, I didn't even open it. Silly me. Ta-da! If you guys never seen it actually work, well, it actually does work. I'll surprise when it actually works. 4 and 5. Woohoo! Navy color blue 5. Look at that. Okay, and then red. I swear, red is orange. I swear, guys. 1, 2, 2. Oh, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just want to do it gently. 5. Why can't I? It's so hard to do it gently. Whenever I do it too hard because I'm trying to do it gently, I just press it so hard. But I didn't press it that hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wonder why that one was easy. It's kind of weird. Whatever. And then I can add 2 more. 1. Oh, that's enough yet. Because I spilled it, so it's enough to do. And then we need vegetable oil. Okay. And the last one that we did is okay. So first up, we got blue. I hope I don't spill it. I never spilled oil when I'm doing other stuff, so it might be easy.
This bottle.
Okay, next one. Tell me when to stop. Yeah, I don't do it. It's just weird stop. Okay, next one. What if we mess up though? We should have put it on. What if we mess up?
Put it on the oil.
And do you think we should put it all there?
It's okay. Now we pull it.
Yep. It's always better to put more on this one because it's super short and these ones are thicker. So we need to put more on this one. Okay. Then this. Hey, acid. Whatever it's fun part. Guess what can happen? Small bubbles. See? Am I right? Or am I wrong?
It's not moved to something.
I know. I have an idea with this one. Okay, relax. I'll close the camera. Wow. Whee! You always check if it's tight and tight. If it if the cap is like going out, then that means it's not loose. Just check it. Check it. Okay, guys. Almost done. Yep, let's check. Turn off the light and see the after results. From water to this. Go. Turn this one off, guys. Okay, guys, we'll see you with the flashlight. After results, next one. I just can't take it off. I just can't. Okay, after it's done, guys. After it's done. Isn't this so cool, guys? Like, it's relaxing. Okay, don't talk to me. That one is unique from all the other same ones. You guys can't see it though.